Hello, and welcome to CompuDup's second segment on email. Now we will create our very own email account. Follow along on your computer to create your own. First, we will open our internet browser, which will allow us to enter the internet. The most common internet browsers are Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. I will be using Microsoft Edge, but any internet browser will work. Once you open your internet browser, go to the address bar at the top of your screen and enter www.gmail.com and press the Enter key. Once the page is loaded, you should be brought to this screen. Click on the Create Account button on the bottom left of your screen, then click For Myself. The next screen will ask you for some basic information. Fill out your first and last name, and then choose your username. This will be your email address, so make sure it is appropriate and professional. A great suggestion is to use some version of your name, then between 1 to 3 symbols or numbers to make it unique. A username must be completely unique so that two people don't get the same emails. Please fill out your first name, last name, and username now. Once you have picked your username, fill out the password box. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters and uses a variety of numbers and symbols. For security, try to avoid using any obvious passwords that can be easily guessed. Write down your password immediately and save the note somewhere safe in case you forget your password. Re-enter your password in the Confirm box. Please enter your password and retype it in the Confirm box now. When you have finished, click Next. The next screen will ask for some basic information. The first 2 fields, a phone number and recovery email address, are optional but still very important to fill out. These fields allow you to enter a recovery phone number and email address, which will allow you to access your email even if you forget your password. Please fill out the phone number, recovery email address, your birthday, and gender now. Once you have filled out all the information, please press Next. Finally, read through the Google terms and conditions and make sure that you agree with them. These are basic user rules that you are agreeing to when you create a Gmail account. Once you have finished reading, click I agree. It may take a few moments for your page to load, but be patient. Congratulations! You have now created an email account. In the next lesson, we will go over basics of your email, so make sure to watch when you get a moment. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.